All right, folks, let's dive into something super important today. India's new criminal law and what's changed. If you're wondering why this matters, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of how the legal landscape has shifted. First off, let's talk about the old law. India's criminal law, largely influenced by the Indian Penal Code of 1860, laid down rules and punishments for everything from theft to murder. This system, while comprehensive, was often criticized for being outdated and not agile enough to handle modern-day crimes. Enter the new criminal law reforms. One of the major changes is the focus on justice for victims. The new law introduces more stringent penalties for crimes such as sexual assault and has provisions for faster trial processes. This is a big step forward because, in the past, cases would often drag on for years, leaving victims in a state of prolonged distress. Another significant shift is in the treatment of juveniles. The old law was often criticized for being too harsh on young offenders. The new law aims to balance rehabilitation and punishment, recognizing that young people have the capacity to reform and reintegrate into society. This change has been welcomed by many child rights activists. Now let's talk about technology. The old criminal laws did not adequately address cybercrimes, which are increasingly common in our digital world. The new reforms include specific provisions to tackle cyber offenses like hacking and identity theft, making the legal system more relevant and effective in the digital age. Corruption is another area where the new law makes a bold statement. The reforms impose stricter penalties for corruption and aim to streamline processes to catch and prosecute corrupt officials more efficiently. This is crucial for a country striving for transparency and good governance. Lastly, the new law emphasizes the protection of marginalized communities. There are enhanced safeguards against discrimination and violence towards vulnerable groups, ensuring that justice is more inclusive and equitable. So there you have it. The new criminal law in India represents a significant overhaul aimed at creating a more just, modern, and efficient legal system. It addresses the shortcomings of the old law and introduces measures to better protect victims, rehabilitate offenders, and tackle contemporary crimes. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe.